Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need to start by confirming legal ownership and preparing what you will present to support channels. Once done, collect the device model, the account email tied to the phone, and any purchase proof. These are what service centers and carriers will request. Make sure the battery is charged so nothing interrupts diagnostics. Don't attempt bypasses. Explain why. Unauthorized unlocking risks data loss and legal trouble. Instead, proceed with supported recovery or authorized service options that follow privacy and security safeguards. Next, follow the official recovery paths because they protect your data and comply with law. Use the phone maker's or Google's account recovery to regain access through credential verification. These systems are designed to verify identity without exposing sensitive methods. If account recovery doesn't work, contact your carrier or the device manufacturer for remote assistance and instructions. Make sure to explain your proof and follow their process. This often resolves lockouts without risky third-party tools or techniques. For final resolution, an authorized factory reset or repair by the manufacturer or carrier may be required, but only after identity verification and as documented by them. Once you agree, keep a record. Request a service receipt and detailed notes about data handling. After service, restore from verified backups and change all passwords, making sure two-step verification is enabled. If anything goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to present original purchase proof and a photo ID to the authorized provider immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.